Welcome everybody, welcome to the show. We're back. We are back, and sorry if I was late a little bit, but I'm here. I'm here now. Alicia, aka Disciplined Trader. What's up? Nate, good to see you. Navab, as always, my pleasure to see you guys. Yesterday I was having both technical issues and I wasn't feeling too well, to be honest. Actually, it was a miracle that I could make the MyFundedTV appearance, because I was battling with pain and fever. It was not good. It was not good. But I'm here now. A little bit better, still not 100%, but don't worry, there's nothing a weekend cannot fix. So I'm here. And by the way, speaking of the market, I'm good to go today. Yeah. All-time high. So what's the plan, everybody? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Any idea? The only thing I see is maybe gold could be popping higher, but no levels, nowhere. So I don't see anything that I can go for. So it's most likely today is going to be like a sit on the sidelines action. Friday, drop or long. We'll see. I mean, we have the news candle lower yesterday. And here's the market open. Let's see what's going to happen. Market has opened for business. NQ pushing higher. A little bit, not too much. Gold dropping also just a little bit. Okay. So we made a new all-time high. ES most likely, I think it's going to grind to 600 again. So now we have SMT, right? Do we have an SMT? No. No, we don't. We're going to all-time high right now. On the micro, at least. Come on. Okay, so 69 is all-time high. I was wrong. So it tried to make a move, and look at this rejection. Wow. Quite amazing. ES down. Yeah, but I think ES still wants to go higher. Look at this. Okay, we're back at 42. I need to disconnect and reconnect my Bulenox account because there's some issue with the connection. Okay, NQ going lower. Maybe sweeping some liquidity. Nothing down there to go for, by the way. Nothing. So what do you guys think? Should we try to scalp it for the all-time high? Or should we just leave it as it is? Okay, let me see this. It's not far, I know. How about the mini? Okay, the mini made a new all-time high. Never mind, the micro didn't. Interesting spot. Very interesting spot. 840, 870 level might stop out. 830. Could be. Could be. The micro didn't go up there to make the all-time high, which makes an interesting scenario here. Quite an interesting scenario, to be honest. I think gold also should be popping higher here to maybe even 90. Yeah, most likely. Creating some new highs, maybe. Depending on how NQ is going to behave. I feel like that because of the micro, this one still has some room to go. What's the distance? 30 points. Huh. I'd like to think that it could go higher. Alright, jumping into a scalp. Let's try this. I have no high hopes for this, but who cares? Trying to scalp this to the upside. Yeah, gold wants to spike higher. I can see that. I shouldn't be scalping. Mark, hey, good afternoon. A little bit better. Jobban, egy picit jobban, de kell egy-két gyógyszert szedni, de igen. Didn't buy up there. Lots of volatility back and forth, yeah. AD, welcome. Okay, it seems like the micro is just not able to push it. Gold trying. But that's it. There was, what news was at 8:30? Building permits. Okay, that was not... Everybody's waiting for 10 a.m. so... I have a feeling that until 10 a.m. it can try once more. Köszönöm, igyekszem. Jövő hétre jó vagyok. I'm trying my best to get better for next week. I'm only in with 3 micros on this, so not a big deal. I think it's not gonna be able to push it through. But it's fine. It's completely okay. Yeah, it just failed. Okay, I got stopped out. Small position, no big deal. Anyway, what else do we have? Gold tried, but it couldn't make it. Huh, interesting. What did you spit? What? I mean, said, you know, I was speaking Hungarian with Mark here. Mark is Hungarian too. You know, bit of Hungarian chit chat with fellow Hungarians. I know you're having fun. I know. The problem is, I'm a little bit slow now. I don't know if it's because of the medicine or not. I took like 3 pills. And I'm super tired, but I'm a little bit slow. Okay. NQ swept some liquidity down here. Not a big deal. Went down to midnight. Asia low got taken out earlier in the London session. I kind of feel like this is not over, but I tried one little scalp here. Didn't turn out good. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Okay, NQ down. Gold is also slowly went lower. Not a big deal again. It happens. NQ going down. No specific level that I like here on NQ. So I would just rather leave it. You're bearish. You don't slow without pill. TGIF, maybe something will happen. Because of, I mean, this is TGIF. It could be also a flush in the market. It doesn't necessarily have to be a rally. We could see markets flushing down. That could mean gold might make a new high. So TGIF can also make a move in both directions. You know, I think I remember that some of the big sell-offs were happening on Fridays. You know, some big Friday sell-offs. Who knows? Yeah. But on the 15-minute, there's nothing. It's seemingly creating a bearish breaker. Not really. But at least on the 5-minute, it's creating a bearish breaker, which could drive prices a little bit lower. And this is London low here. Let's not forget. We have a London low. Right there. Why is the music so loud? Yeah. It's kind of created a support for it, but nothing more. You know, the thing is, because I feel like ES wants to go again to 6600, you gotta be careful with NQ. Gotta keep an eye on ES. Hey Reza, hey. Thank you. I'm doing good. I'm a little bit sick. I have a bit of an illness, but I'm okay. It happened yesterday. Stomach pain, fever, and it seems like I also got the flu or something. I don't know, but I was at the doctor, so I'm gonna get better for next week. I don't know. It's a virus. The doctor told me it's most likely a virus. Thank you, Reza. It's most likely gonna be a virus, but I'm gonna get better. But I'm a little bit weak, to be honest. I'm like weak, just like Nasdaq, getting weaker. I'm kidding. But it's gonna be good. Like, actually, I tried to do the kitchen because I didn't sleep at night. I spent the night at the toilet, and I tried to do the kitchen, and I was like, man, I can't do it. Target below is yellow. The doctors always say that. Exactly. That shit pregnant. Yeah, I guess that's the thing. Filko, it's good to see you, my man. What's up? I'm gonna get well. Don't worry, Nabab. And thank you so much for the kind words. Don't worry. I can survive anything. I'm a big survivor. You know. Even if I would have to stream from the trenches and trade from like the end of the world, I would still be doing it. Okay, it seems like gold popped higher. What else happened here? Nothing else. Gold popped higher. That's kind of cool. But for now, to be honest, NQ seem like getting ready for the drop, maybe. At least that's how the optics are showing. I'm not sure though, but we'll see. Yeah, it might. The mini took it. The mini already did that, but the micro didn't. So there's a bit of a divergence situation in between the mini and the micro, and I feel like, you know, the market makers could play some dirty tricks and manipulate prices higher to 69 on the micro. Also because ES seemingly still might want to retest the 6600, so that's why I'm a little bit cautious with the shorts or possible shorts. There is no fair value up on the 3 and the 5 minute. Nothing that could be useful. Because I do my best. I do my best. Okay. Still a waiting game. Yeah, 10 a.m. red news, but let's see. It's gonna be University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Now, I think this is important. I think this is important somewhat. I mean, maybe not as important as CPI, but still important. But it's basically it's a survey, so it's basically just statistics, inflation expectations. Yeah, so it's a survey-based report, which is like not the actual data of the economy, but still kind of gives you a hint, like how the market, or how, you know, the experts are looking at the market, I would say. Ezra, hey, good to see you again. Yeah, it seems like it. I heard about Charlie Kirk, yes. It was also in the news here in Hungary. It's very sad, and I know everybody is divided by politics in everywhere, every country in the world. Politics divided people very much in the past 20 years. And, you know, even if you don't respect other people's political opinion, you might as well just acknowledge it and leave it be. But violence is never the answer. That's what I think. And I feel very sorry about this. And it's frustrating, you know. God rest his soul. Yeah, I think so too. I mean, we could get another push here. It seems like that NQ might try it one more time, you know, but I wouldn't be surprised if there would be one more push to the upside. I'm just not surprised at all, even before news. I'm not going to take a trade before news, by the way, so there could be manipulation a few minutes before. Hey, online safety, what's up? Hey, good to see you, man. How you doing? Ezra, you don't have to thank me, it's just my opinion. But yeah, I feel sorry for the situation. The problem is, you know, here in Hungary as well, people are so divided by politics. It's true story. One of my very good friend and his family went to a vacation. 8 of them, so 8 people. And a few people are, you know, pretty much into one party, and the other few people are pretty much, you know, having the opinion on the opposing party. And the whole vacation was just about debating and arguing and getting angry and such like and things like that. That's the problem. Like, politics is going into our private lives, and it shouldn't be. Oh, it's long and stop loss at 803. Let's go. Reza, congratulations for the position. It's kind of a good entry, I think. I'm just a little bit scared if there would be some manipulation before the news release. So some wiggle here and there. Small positions working on new entry model. So yeah, let's see. Small position is basically stress-free. So that's something we all can take. So I say go for it. What's the time? 10 more minutes until the news. My supersonic indicator system from the future indicating a short position on NQ. I can actually show you guys. Today is a day like this. I can show you what I'm looking at here. So on NQ here on the left, it's indicating a short position after this candle. Seemingly it wants to go lower. On gold, so far it's indicating long positions, but this is what I see. A possible short. Maybe I would even take the short if I would know that there will be no news release, but actually it would be much safer to wait for the moving averages to cross here. Yeah, it might drop, but anyway, it's just an indicator, so don't believe the indicator. Indicator is always using data from the past, and that doesn't matter too much. So price action wise, whatever happens here, I think it has a good chance to pop higher just to finish the job. Yeah, you have a stop loss and that's it. Yeah, Reza is ICT trader. Depends on how many concepts you're using from ICT, right? I mean, obviously we talked about that we don't need to use all the concepts, right? So it's not about that. I'm gonna make a drink. I'll be right back. Okay. What's happening? Honestly, it's kind of my own fun new. Oh, well, that's the that's the goal, Reza, right? So you carve out your own entry model. So that's actually a great thing. You use some portions, some parts from the concepts, and you just, you know, create your own way. So that's a good thing. And by the way, this would be the goal, and it will be the goal, even if you want it or not. I talked about this a few weeks ago at MyFundedTV. So whatever you're learning right now, you're going to adapt to the market. You're maybe not the exact core entry model, but your trading is going to change, and you're going to adapt, and you're going to, unlike, yeah, I see this thief, yeah, and you're going to put some more personal stuff. I don't have a better word for it. Some like personal aspect. It could be an indicator. It could be any other concept, whatever. And that's the cool thing. 55% win rate. That is very good. That's very good. That's very good. 55% win ratio with 1.5 in 100 trades. I think you did the job, Reza. I think you're on the right path there. Do you know Tom? Yeah, I saw a tweet from him on Twitter on my phone. I was like scrolling what is going on just a few minutes ago when I logged on, and I saw that he's active. +20 live trades on my funded account. Reza, by the way, I do have big confidence because from all that I know from you since you're on the channel, And those achievements that you made, I have a very strong confidence that even if you said last time you're not net positive this year, I think you're going to be very successful. Last year, I think you said it last year, you were printing money like crazy. So you know how to do it. You just have to be lined up with the market. Look at that. The position is going. It might gonna pop higher. I'm a little bit tempted to jump in, not gonna lie. A little bit tempted to jump in. All right. I try it with a little bit of a scalp here. Let's see how it goes. I entered with 5 micros. For the news, Bulenox lets you to trade the news on the funded account. So I entered on a Bulenox account. Yeah, we'll see how ICT is going to perform this year. I mean, as I said, I'm not closely following of what he's tweeting or his lectures, but you know, we'll see. He's always promising that he's going to put his trades live on YouTube or Telegram or I don't even know where. I'll be looking forward to that, to be honest. You know why? Not because I want to copy trade him. Actually, I respect him for his teachings, for his lectures. I told you guys. Your TP is 70, 74. My TP is 62.25, I think. 62 is my TP. I'm just scalping it. So the reason I'm curious a little bit about ICT. I want this thing to be settled once and for all, because he's always claiming that he's the best trader in the world, which is awesome. Cool. I'm not talking about the lectures and the videos and the education, but he claims to be the best trader in the world. So finally, the only thing I'm just kind of waiting from him is to show us live something, some sort of a result. I know last year he posted a broker statement that who knows whose statement it is, or anyway, it would be great to see him take those trades that people are saying those are cherry-picked trades. I would love to see him take those trades live. That would be awesome, I think. And then, you know, many of the doubters would be silenced for at least for a while. Yeah, so he talks a lot, and but again, I am very grateful for him. And if anybody asks me 5 years from now, 10 years from now, that what was a big impression on my trading, I would say ICT's lectures did a big impression of my approach in the markets. But again, is he the best trader as he claims to be? I would respectfully doubt that at this point. He's all, yeah, I know what you're saying, Navab. I know, but those could be cherry picked or something. It would be great to see a continuation on the same account of how he's doing. He many times claimed that he could make 100K in a few days if he wants. I'm not saying that he should be making 100K, but anyway, I just want to see him do it. That's all. So here we have the news in a few seconds. And let's see, 3 seconds to go. Let's see if my scalp is going to survive. Oh, shaky. Still in. Somehow I'm still in. I don't know how. My entry is 42.50. My TP is 62.25. So I'm just looking for a kind of 20 points here. We'll see. To visit VLAN. Oh, sorry, online safety. We're moving on. No ICT talk. Sorry, online safety. Exactly. Let that be the final word on this. Sorry, online safety. Okay, so what was the number? Is it positive outlook or negative? Negative outlook. Okay, confidence is not too good. Bit of a bad news, but you know what? Market goes higher whatever happens. So online safety, you know what? I know you're always saying what you feel, and I respect it. You know why? You know what? I do respect it, and I like you, online safety. I do appreciate every comment, and seriously. So, you know, that 95% is basically true, I think, for everybody in the market. Doesn't really matter what strategy you're using, right? That's what I would add to it. That's what I would add. Like 95% of traders are losing in the long term. And it's not because ICT, it's because risk management. Exactly. So, also, you were trolling me. You already knew what I'm gonna say. But I wanted to say to online safety, like Alejandro Sosa in Scarface said to Tony Montana, online safety, I like you. You speak from the heart. You speak from the heart, and I like that. No matter what you use, exactly. Okay, gold is still up there. Let me... Gracias, amigo. So choppy, yeah. The supersonic indicators not showing anything. The short trade was actually not valid earlier that I showed because the moving averages were not crossing. So that was still a low probability setup. Actually, not even a setup. Right now, I see a bullish reaction. So we'll see. Nothing on gold as well. I'm still in the trade. That's amazing, by the way. I don't know how I did that. Can I show you here? Oh, here it is. Look at that. I'm still in the trade. Haha. Kind of crazy to think about. Oh, I removed my stop earlier because of the news. I know I shouldn't have, but this was just a scalp. I'm going to keep my stop negative because it's a scalp trade. But this is on a funded account at Buley. So let's see ES. Okay, ES is still kind of going for the plan. All right. Come on, we need a winner. Give us that win. Please. NQ. Give us the win. Don't do this with us. You know what? I think it's gonna go up. I would add one more to it. Okay, I added one more. Now it's 10 micros. I think, yeah. 10 micros, 62.50 is my TP. My stop is way down there. It's a heavy position now. I'm getting nervous, to be honest. I'm getting a little bit nervous here. Emotions are taking over my thinking process here. Quant Tower. It's Quant Tower here. I basically made it for the same color as TradingView. So this is Quant Tower here. I know that my stop loss is down there. I know, trust me. I'm watching price action very close. My finger is on the flat button. I can let it go down a little bit, but I have to kill it if something goes bad. Oh, you're killing it. Okay, I'm heavy on this one. This is a heavy trade. 1 mini, basically. 1 mini. I'm a little bit, and this is on a funded account. No joke. It's Friday and I'm in with 1 mini. You closed it? Oh man. Oh man. This is the silver bullet hour. It should be pushing higher. You know what? If it goes higher than 55.25, I might move it to break even, and I don't care. But if not, I might close it with a small loss. My finger is on the flat button here, right next to it. Oh man, what a struggle. Oh, still, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Sorry, I misread that. Push the like button, everybody, by the way. We want to... My goal is to have the New York stream a little bit more visible on YouTube. If you can help me out with a few likes. Thank you so much. Even if you dislike the stream, I've been told by a YouTube expert, YouTube also likes that, because that's a reaction. But please, just push the like it. Man, what should I do with this? This would be the point where I would put this to break even. It's a heavy position. Should we pray or something? NQ, gold has a pullback. Where's gold? Here's gold. There's a pullback. I'm gonna switch that to an eval. Let's pray. All right. Dear trading gods. So maybe the Arnie song. I don't know if I have it here. I mean, do I have it? Do I have the Arnie song somewhere? The pump?
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
Pump it. It's working. It's working again.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
Let's go. It's working, everybody. It's working.
Your muscles get a really tight feeling.
Come on.
Like your skin is going to explode any minute. You know, it's really tight. It's like somebody blowing air into
the pump.
It just blows up, and it feels different. It feels fantastic. The pump. It's different.
The pump. The pump. The pump. There you go. The pump.
The pump. Fantastic. It's as satisfying for me as coming is. You know, as having sex with a woman coming.
Come on, pump it.
How much I am in heaven. I'm like getting the feeling of coming in the gym, coming at home, coming backstage when I pump up.
Pump it, baby.
In front of 5,000 people, I get the same feeling. So I'm coming day and night. That's what we call the pump.
The pump.
The pump.
The pump.
The pump.
Come on.
Pump.
The pump.
The pump. The pump.
Oh man.
The pump. The pump.
Go.
The pump.
Go.
Terrific, right? The pump. The pump.
Oh man. We have to start all over.
The greatest best feeling you can get is the pump.
Okay, Arnie is not helping right now. Sorry, I destroyed your oh, okay. Okay, this is not something I was looking for. Yeah, about $320 profit on a funded account. Actually, I can show you the account. Here it is. Here's the trade right now. I did have a small loss earlier on this. I'm ready to lose about $300-400 on this account. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Oh man. You know, I'm actually thinking to close it if it starts to play these mind tricks for too long. Oh man. Let me check the indicators. So I'm perfectly okay losing about $300-400. That's fine, but I have to move to a different account. There's a signal on gold too, by the way. Oh man, I wasn't expecting this, to be honest. Shit. I pushed the wrong button. I wanted to enter on the evaluation account, but instead I entered on the master account. Okay, this is not good. I think I have to close it. I just can't get it to go in a bigger drawdown. It's fine, but I just can't. I just can't. Yeah, almost out. Jesus. Okay, I'm out. It is what it is. I tried. Down $262. This account is done for today. So it is what it is. What's happening on gold? Gold might still want to go higher. How about that? I can't risk more, you know. I just can't. You know, there could be another chance for NQ to go higher. Maybe it wants to sweep liquidity at 18, but this was a heavy position. I just couldn't let it lose more. Yeah. I didn't like it anymore as well. That's why I put my stop loss there. I thought that it's going to spike. Arnie didn't help this time, unfortunately. That is what it is. I just couldn't let it go lower. So obviously it's risk management as well. You gotta cut your losses. Especially on a funded account, you need to cut your losses in time. Okay. For a brief moment, everything looked great. Okay, not forcing anything here. What was the range here. Oh, no. Feels like it could still go back there. Should I give it a second chance? I'm gonna wait for it. This account can handle 2 positions before completely going into oblivion. Okay, that's fine. More than 6 seconds. I don't like the price action, man. I just don't like it. Anyway, I'm still waiting. I might gonna give a second chance, but just to cover my losses, I might need to go to 69. Yes, Vilkos. Yes. Oh, look at that. Something's happening. It's still not the best entry. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. First presentation got... I haven't even... Oh, this is the first presentation, right? Or which one is it? This one? I don't even know. All right. I'm still gonna wait. I'm gonna give one more chance to this trade. One more chance. I'm gonna have to wait for this candle. "19 seconds. Oh man. All right, I'm entering. I have to go to 69 here. Actually 68.50. It's still a heavy position. Heavy scalp. Don't do this at home. The entry is actually good. Yeah, oh my god, my stop is terrible. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of stop, like 400 bucks. I might have to kill it if it goes lower. Now I just have to reach that 69. So 68.50 would be... It's not enough to break the high. We need to go to 69. Oh man. What am I doing, right? Anyway, the entry kind of looks good. So let's just wait. Quick phone call, just a second. Okay, the market makers told me that all is going to be good. That's what I can tell you guys. It's a scalp trade. I usually don't do scalp trades. Just saying, I'm very bad in scalping. No more chance to this trade, Navab. No more chance. This is the last chance. If it fails me, I'm just gonna leave it, and that's it. I'm just gonna stop with this nonsense, what I'm doing here. How's ES doing? Still struggling. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, but this is really the last time for this trade. And the account is this. Right now, we're at break even for the day. All right, $145 after taking a hit on scalping. Almost at $2,000. Yay! Awesome. So yeah, it was so now NQ officially both micro and the mini actually reached that level. Yeah, Reza, by the way, you did well, because I don't have a specific plan for scalping. The only plan is if I want to scalp a specific level, then maximum I give 2 chances to the trade. And imagine if this trade would have gone down to a loss, that would have added an extra $300 loss to this account. So this account could be ended up like a negative 500 something dollars, which is doable, by the way. Just saying, negative 500 something dollars is absolutely doable to recover next week. So it's not the end of the world. But I almost drained this account to a bit of a drawdown. Well, yeah. Zacromonster, hey, what's up? Good to see you, man. No, you're not late. Nothing really happened, by the way. Gold slowly gold slowly grinding higher. NQ made a new all-time high. I mean, what to do here, right? So tell me, everybody. I'm just curious because this is Friday. What is your plan from trading? I mean, with trading. I mean, what do you want to achieve? Where do you see yourself a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now from trading? Do you guys have a long-term plan? Why are you guys doing it? Obviously for the money, but do you think this would be an excellent project for long-term future investment, like educating ourselves here with prop firms and trading every day? Do you guys feel the passion for trading? Do you guys feel that this is the thing I want to do 5 years from now as well? Consistent income, Philcos, I like that. I just want to follow my rules. No more PNL trading, Tom. Been 2 weeks doing the same things and it feels great. And I'm a PNL wise. Now, this is exactly the thing that we are chasing, Reza. The good thing. You're focusing on the plan. You're focusing on the game plan. And the profit is just a byproduct of your progress, right? Exactly. Reza, I love it. Focus on the process. Focus on the plan. Forget about the PNL. By the way, and of course the money is going to be the byproduct of your trading, right? And by the way, let me just say this. Anyway, I'm not going to say that. Just wanted to add that whatever strategy are you using, definitely use a mental loss limit or even a profit limit. Like, for example, if I would have made like $300 or $400 on this scalp as originally intended to, then I definitely would be walking away from that specific account. Wanting to make a lot of money is the weakest driver for discipline. Yeah, you will never get consistency. Exactly. You want to earn freedom. I like that too. You want to earn freedom. I also said it a few times, like, I see that this is one of the only exits, one of the only way out. You might ask, only way out from where? The only way out from the Matrix. I don't want to be Andrew Tate because I'm not a fan, but the only way out of the Matrix, basically. I think that's a good word for it. There's the word enter and an exit matter of PNL, so that's the point, Reza. That's why we love to do this. That's why we love to do this. Hey Mark, I'm really glad you like what we are talking about and discussing here, not just here, but on MyFundedTV too, but here too. Thank you for the kind comment. The freedom to choose, you can do it or not do it. Exactly. 90-minute time investment of my day for a New York session. Exactly. I like that, Philcos. I like that. Love it. Next week is rollover. Yeah, contracts are going to be changing, so get prepared for that. I think I got the cold. Cutting short on YM. Let's go. YM, man, I don't even remember when I traded YM last time. Man, I can't breathe through my nose. It seems like I got the cold too. Maybe that was partially because that was the fever. 74 on my TP was amazing, but it could break even. Yeah, and you know what the good thing is that, Reza, because I talk about this all the time, your analysis was correct. So you did know what's going to happen, and that's a huge thing. Obviously, the execution, the risk management part is a different scenario, but the analysis was good. Yeah, I need ginger tea. Yeah, I know. I don't even know how I'm going to survive the MyFundedTV session without this. I mean, I will, of course. You know, the thing is, there's nothing else to trade to. Maybe gold, but that's it. That is it. Nothing else I could take here. Nothing else. Oh man. Mark, more. You need it to go more higher. You know, ES I think wants to go for 6600, so NQ has a good chance to push it a little bit more. By the way, here's another example on this indicator. that I showed you. Here was a perfect long signal here. Boom. Went higher. Obviously, the target and the risk management is a different scenario, but here was a beautiful long signal. And there was another long signal on gold. On the right side, here is gold. And this was a long signal. Boom. Went higher. Don't mind this arrow, okay? It's just confusing. But yeah. It went up. I'm thirsty. I need to get a drink, everybody. Let's just wait what's gonna happen. And I'll be back in a minute, okay? I'll be back in a minute. Don't go anywhere. Push the like, subscribe. You know. Oh, no. All right, I'm here. Don't worry, everybody. We're here. Apex full port. What? Online safety. Come on, man. Sorry, I just have to drink my electrolytes and everything for my stomach here. Oh. Yeah. Ugh. Anyway. What's going on? NQ grinding higher. Oh, gold is somewhat edging lower a little bit. What does that mean? I don't know. Na zdrowie. Ah. Na zdrowie. And I say in Hungarian, egészségedre. Egészségedre. In Croatian, I know that they say živili. Živili, but in Hungarian, egészségedre. Ah, ugh. Oh my God, it's terrible. But I have to drink it. All right. The super magical indicator is not showing anything at all. And no levels on gold, so it makes everything super easy. Not taking a trade at all. You know what, guys? I was thinking that maybe we should do a stream like on a weekend or after market hours, or I don't know. And we should, you know, we should maybe do some podcast thingy show. If some of you that would be a funny conversation, right? Oh my God, it's bad. It's bad. Okay, I want to check what's happening at what is Methodical Man doing?
No. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Cove Bridge. There's no reason to trade them if you don't feel great, you know? So, yeah, Alito, I think I'll probably roll over to the new contract on Monday, but we'll see. I think whenever Ninja does it, I usually do it. And I think it gave me a warning this morning that the next session would be rollover. Long full portu? Full portu? TOMSABO, is that some sort of Hungarian language? Full portu long? Full portu? Initial balance just paid. Almost. Oh, all accounts full port. You can't type. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. Let's say something to him.
I got Tom's phone number, guys. I put it in a bathroom.
No.
I put it in one of those bathroom stalls, and it says, please send morning. Please send
Funny.
poops.
Funny.
All poops. All
Funny.
pictures of poops.
Funny.
To this number.
Okay. I can send some pictures.
Full port 1 micro. All right, Robert. Appreciate you. How many likes we got anyway? No, I haven't visited any of the whole bathrooms. None of those. 36 likes. That's it, guys. Those are rookie numbers.
Hey,
guys.
I'm going to push the like here. 37 now.
You can send some more pictures. No, Tom. They're going to send pictures to you.
Oh, no.
Shorts are buying all pullbacks. Yeah. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter a free account giveaway.
Oh, there's a giveaway. All right.
Right? That is our liquidity injection. Whatever
50
you want to
likes.
call
Oh,
it.
Let's go.
that's my funded TV. Sorry.
Tom, how'd you do today? Tom, get in there. Exclamation point cash. Get in there. You can win a free account.
I went in there.
You too can win a free account. Made 146. Let's go. Sells off now. I don't know. You guys like my new hat? Everybody like my new hat?
I know I spell
It's
chat.
just black. It is a Vice
Oh my
Grip
God, how-
Garage hat. VGG Vice Grip Garage.
What is Vice Grip Garage? What is that? Yeah, don't worry about it, Mark.
One of my favorite shows.
Oh, that's a show. All
Free
right.
Hungarian pesos. Type it in the chat.
Yeah. 100 Hungarian forint to the winner. All right.
100 huff to the winner. What is 100 huff, like 40 cents, 30 cents? I don't even know. Is there
Yeah.
a way to get the countdown timer on Ninja? There is. I don't know how to do it though, Francis. Somebody in the chat will have to answer, or you can ask Husk. I think he has it on.
All right.
Let's see.
Sent to
see,
my
Husk has
email.
it on
Oh,
his.
let me check it.
He has it on his.
Let me check it. Let me check my email. Oh, I got the email. Okay, let's see Reza. Reza sent me a chart here. Nice. I like the chart. Hold on. Let me get the other picture. Okay. This is Reza's chart. I like the markups. You have the fair value gaps, the 1 minute gap there on YM. Everything is lined up perfectly and beautiful trade. Can I zoom in? No, but I see you have a trade there. Look at the results for Reza. Which platform is this, Reza? Which brokerage, or do you have a third party? Oh, this is Project X, right? Project X. Is this how Project X looks like? I never ever tried Project X, by the way. Never. I don't know how it looks like. Is this how it looks like? Or is it somewhere else? TopStepX. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. Oh, TopStepX. Okay. Good job. Beautiful results, Reza. Look at this guy. Consistency, even if there's some losses here and there, but look at him. First week, $2,700. Next week, 890. Dude, you are printing it. And you know, you see this? He has negative days. Here, 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 here. So 4 days down. You can still make a very good month. Yeah, they are the same. They are the same. Yeah. Project X is basically a platform like QuantTower or NinjaTrader, or you know, but it's a web-based platform, so you have to open it in browser, Chrome or Edge, whatever you use. Beautiful results there, Reza. I like it. I like it. So basically, you trade in your browser. They spending. Well, you know. However you finish here, I mean, most likely you're gonna end up 2 weeks, beautiful profits. Very good. Very, very good. I love it. I love it. Okay, gold is somewhat going a little bit lower here. It could even go lower. Now, again, because today is an indicator day, I'm going to show you what I'm seeing here on gold. And I'm testing this indicator since last year, June. So even more than a year now, 14 months or something. Moving averages are crossing down. Seemingly there's a turning point by the zigzag. There's no, so you see there is a rectangle here, but here there's only a an arrow. If there's a strong direction in the or shift in the trend, you should see the rectangle and the arrow at the same time. So this is not the strongest one, but anyway, still a change or shift. Pointing down, as soon as it kind of makes a little bit lower and pulls back, should be creating a similar dot like this, which is basically a fractional point for a possible swing. And whenever the candle turns into, I don't know what this color is, I was not the one who coded this, so when this color candles are appearing below the moving averages with the dot, that should be a possible sell entry. Okay, anyway, the reason I shared is following rules every day. It's low PNL. Reza, I think you're back on track, and I think the way you explained it earlier and the way you're doing it, like focusing on the process, beautiful. I love it, man. I really love it. So by the way, Philkos, are you still here? I think Philkos just went to Methodical, man. He left us. Hold on, I did wrote this somewhere. Okay. I have... Oh, he is. Okay. Today at My Funded TV, the topic is going to be your idea. Like, market is a mirror of our mind. Oh, thank you, Philkos. So actually, I had some bullet points somewhere here. Where is it? Where is it? Anyway, that's what I'm going to use. Has he taken and traced today? And if so, what is his PNL? I mean Reza or Methodical Man or I am. I'm sorry, Remington. Good to see you, by the way. I know, Philcos, I know. Ah, me. I've taken a trade. I was long on NQ. Let me show you. Live here on stream. I was on the 1 minute chart. First trade was a bit of a failure, and then I jumped in again and went for 69. So that was the trade, basically. The same trade. I know it 2 trades, but basically 1 trade. So yeah, I went for the 24.69. Like, if I'm able to do it for a month, same thing, you know. Exactly. Exactly, Reza. I agree. You must have some fun, Philcos, yeah. Absolutely, Remington. Gold futures. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm trying to trade more on gold nowadays, but no trades on gold yet. I'm looking for a possible short, to be honest, but we'll see how much time I will have, because I will be at MyFunded TV shortly. Oh, this is terrible. Nah. Yeah, NQ is just unstoppable. ES is trying to retest the 6600. Look at that. It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. I'm gonna put an alert, but it's most likely going to retest 6600. Now I know you might ask, because I got this question, if you know if it's going to retest 6600, why don't you jump in with a full port, or at least with a few minis? Because I did that like 1,000 times before. 1,000 times. I jumped into a buy position here, and just before reaching the target it flushed down, and then of course after the flush it went up. So I got butthurt so many times from this that I'm just not going to chase it this close. The range is just not enough. So the range is not enough. You know, I kind of feel like I would rather stay here today every day. I mean, all day, sorry. By the end of the, PM session, or even after that. Maybe I'm a little bit lonely. I don't know. Anyway. Cause I'm lonely, I feel so alone. Up. What is happening? Thank you, Mark. Köszönöm szépen. Find someone from which to copy trade. Copy, then encourage them to trade in a way that good is copying. I don't believe in copy trading, by the way. Online safety. I don't think that's ever a good idea. If someone wants to be a good trader, I don't know. Is it a good thing or not? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I feel like my blood pressure is high. I don't know. I definitely have a high pulse. Maybe it's the drink. Okay. I don't see anything here, everybody. And I do wish to stay here as long as possible, but I see no point to participate in this market right now. So I just want to say thank you so much for this week. I want to say that this was an awesome week. Who was that guy on the screen? That was Methodical Man. Methodical Man. So thank you so much for watching. This was a great week. It was slow, but I enjoyed it very much. And thank you for all the support. Hopefully next week, after all these news, maybe the market will decide to go somewhere. And Adam, thank you. And Reza, thank you. So, and everybody, have a great weekend. I'll be at MyFundedTV in about 30 minutes. And after that, I'm going to start to recharge over the weekend. And of course, everything is back on schedule from Monday, London and New York, as always. Thank you, Mark. I will do my best. And again, until the meantime, if you would like to support the channel, please, if you purchase any new evaluation accounts or resets, use the code TOMSABO up there. It's good for all these prop firms, whichever you would like to choose. Funded Futures Network still has a promo today, and Apex, Bulenox, still go. Take Profit Trader, DayTraders even, and TRADEIFY instant funded accounts with FUNDINGTICKS as well. It works everywhere. So thank you so much. The affiliate commissions help me out to be here full time. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm grateful. And God bless you all. I'll be at MyFundedTV. And if we don't see each other, I'll be here on Monday. All right. Have a great weekend. God bless.